Hey guys, I'm going to talk about what I'm going to invest in tomorrow. Today is August 27th, 2018. I'm going to let you know and show you what I'm going to invest in for tomorrow, August 28th, and show you a little bit around M1 Finance. Please like and subscribe. Goal for this video is to hit at least 3 likes. Lets me know that you're interested in these videos and I can continue to go forward. Let's get into it. So tomorrow is every Tuesday is my free range day, meaning I kind of invest whatever I want. All the other days I have a set amount going in, either $25 to $30. And then on my Tuesday I have just whatever I want to add. Last Tuesday I added $110. This Tuesday I'm adding $190. So let's get into what I'm invested in. So $190, and I have 21 trades and 21 buys. And this kind of shows you exactly what I'm invested in. And I kind of changed this around. Like this was like about my fourth attempt. I rearranged my pies and my portfolio to kind of get exactly tweaked, exactly how I wanted to have everything invested. And this is what I came up with on what I wanted to have invested for tomorrow. And I'm investing fairly heavily into my speculative fund, which I have CGC, which has been on fire, and Crone, which is kind of a sympathy play off of CGC, but it's a lot lower valued. So I'm invested in both of those. And then most of my other things are invested into monthly dividend stocks, and then some quarterlies. I got Apple, ADPs, which are quarterly, but let's just talk about the heavily one. QQQ, this is going to be my first time investment into QQQ. It's going into my fund page, which I mirror the S&P 500, and it's been so strong lately. I'm going to diversify a little bit more and add the QQQ. Shop is another one. It's my first investment. That's why $35 is going into that one. That's going into my big money fund, and then a few others in the S&P. So kind of what I do when I play around with it. I mean, you can invest right into a certain fund. If I wanted to invest right into the speculative fund only and didn't want anything to diversify, I would just hit on speculative fund. I would hit buy and sell into this, and it'll buy just into this fund. But what I did is I just hit edit on this, and this is kind of what I have the percentages going into each fund. The speculative 13%, because I don't have that much money in that one right now, so that's why it's continuing to go in there. But I have the dividend stocks and my funds is the highest one. And then once you go back, if you click on just whatever you're on, I'll click on the speculative, and then you can edit that one as well and see how I have 57% into the canopy growth, 35 into Crone, and then I put very small amounts into this, knowing that it probably won't invest anything in tomorrow, which it did not, because it's going to invest into the higher percentages first. So that's a kind of a little bit of how I do M1. And then on the other days I kind of do the same thing. Sometimes I play around with it. I kind of just hit activity. I just see what it's automatically invested in, and if I don't like it, I adjust it. Or I can invest, like I said, right directly into the fund or the stock if I wanted to. Say I wanted to invest, 190 only into Amazon tomorrow. I go to my portfolio. I go to where my Amazon is. I would click Amazon, and then I would click buy or sell, and that will put that whole amount tomorrow directly into Amazon instead of diversifying between my whole portfolio. So I hope this helps with you guys. M1 Finance is a great tool. It allows you to buy into fractional shares. It allows you to build your wealth without commissions. You're not paying the commissions when you buy it. It's completely free. So I really urge you guys to get involved with M1 Finance if you want to start building your portfolio. So I will have a link down below. Use it. You'll get an extra $10 on your $100 into your account, so it'll be a free 10%. Use the link. I'd appreciate it. But either way, I enjoy it. But please invest based on your research, not just what I'm doing. This is my portfolio, and I enjoy sharing my portfolio. But again, this is what I'm doing, and nobody else should mirror exactly what I'm doing. So, thank you. Appreciate you guys, and good investing out there. Bye.